yours does now, but the most important thing for you to do is take a look up to the top left, and if you've got the words My Site up in your top left corner, you can give that a click. It's just going to bring up this menu for you on the left hand side, and that's the most important thing. So this menu is our go-to spot for all of the different things that we might want to change on our WordPress site. So you'll notice up at the top it's got your site title, and then right below that it says Site Preview. So if you give this a click, it's actually going to show you what your site looks like right now, which we have to make lots of changes, but we've got to start. So close it up with the little X in the top left hand corner. And if you look down your list here, under the Manage section, you've actually got 5 different options that are going to be really helpful for us. So the first thing that shows up is something called Site Pages. So we're going to go ahead and click right on that bar, and it pops up for us with the different pages that our website has currently. So I actually went in and I deleted a page that you didn't see called Contact Page. In order to do that, if you'd like to delete yours, you can click on those little dots on the right hand side and you click Trash, and it'll send it to the trash. What I am going to do is add a second page because we definitely want the About page. So over on the left, if you click the Add button right beside the word Site Pages, it then pops up with a page format for us to start typing into. So we're going to add a page called Home. So type in your title, and below that, if you want, you could type in some information here. If you want to test it out, you can go ahead and type in, "This is my homepage." This is a good practice just so you can see what text shows up like on your website. You'll also notice there's lots of little tools here for customizing things, which you can spend time on later. So if you go up to the top right corner and click on Publish, it's going to publish that page to your site. So now I've made a home page. There's my title. There's my text. It's not super exciting yet because we don't have any images up yet, but you can see that it was successfully created. So if you go up to the top left corner, there's a backwards arrow. Give that a click. And now it's actually brought us back to kind of our home base where we can see our new page that we made plus the About page. Down on the kind of bottom of this Manage section, there's another section called Portfolio, which we're going to go to in a minute. This is really important for us because this is actually how we're going to be managing all of our work on our site, and this is where we're going to be adding all of our projects. Before we do that, we need to do one more thing to the homepage that I forgot about. So if you take a look, you've got your successful homepage right there. You're going to give those little dots a click, and we're going to go back in and edit this page. And when we do that, over on the right hand side, we actually have this little section, maybe more menu options with something called Page Attributes. If you give that a click, it gives us the choice to change this page template. And I know this doesn't mean very much right now, but if you give it a click, you'll notice it gives us the option, instead of going for the default, to go for something called the Portfolio. So click on Portfolio Page Template. That's all you have to do. And then click on Update up at the top right. It's that blue button. Great. So now that that's set up, we can go backwards again using our backwards arrow on the top left corner. And now we can add stuff to our portfolio.